All right, so I'm going to focus on question 1D from here. You may want to stop the video and have a read, and you can see the answers for everything else, which are here. So that's the answers and the questions. If you want to freeze it, feel free. Right, so for question 1D, a few things. Imagine they ask you that you have 20 grams of water, how many grams of oxygen are there? Well, we can use the MR. So the amount of water is 18. For every 18 grams of water, we have 16 grams of oxygen. So if you have 20 grams of water, you will have X grams of oxygen. So therefore, X equals 20 times 16 divided by 18, right? Okay, so that's a really important idea. Another idea is that in this question, they tell you that you have a compound which is impure, and then they react this compound with potassium dichromate. The impurities are not going to react with potassium dichromate. It's only the ion 2 that is going to react. So what you did here is in question C, you calculated the moles that did react. So that is pure ion 2. And we got 0.79 grams of it. In question E, they tell you, well, if the sample you had was pure and we have 4.2 grams of sample, how much ion would you have? So then we do what we did before. We use the EMA for every 278 grams of compound, 56 are ion. So if you have 4.2, you will get X grams of ion. That would be if all those 4.2 grams are actually that compound, iron sulfate heptahydrate. So then we would get 0.85 grams of iron. But actually, we know from the titration that we only have 0.79. So then to calculate the percentage purity, we do 0.79 over 0.85. I hope it makes sense, but if it doesn't, ask. I'll see you later.